because of its advantageous geographical position at the crossroads of the Great Sea Road, a historical trade route that once connected the East and the West. Independent and neutral Turkmenistan offers the most favorable conditions for returning these ancient trading routes to the path of friendship and cooperation. Turkmenistan has consistently and purposefully pursued a foreign policy strategy based on peaceful coexistence, good neighborliness, equality, and mutual respect. Turkmenistan's development trajectory is a testament to its socio-political stability, the creation of favorable economy and investment conditions, transparent and stable financial system, abundant natural resources, logistical capacity, effective international relations, and diverse forms of cooperation. Stability and development are the pillars of our nation. The policy of industrial innovative development is a testament to our commitment to diversify industry and bring about structural transformations in the economy. Turkmenistan is swiftly transitioning from a natural resource, an agricultural region, into an industrialized power, the fuel and energy complex. The backbone of our national industry positions Turkmenistan as one of the largest energy powers. Our ambitious goal is to increase and diversify the delivery of our energy resources to global markets, opening up vast opportunities for collaboration. Turkmenistan places great importance on strengthening international cooperation in developing reliable, sustainable, clean energy and accelerating the drive to monetize and diversify new energy resources. Turkmenistan's geographically favorable location at a strategic intersection of transportation routes promotes initiatives to implement large-scale national and regional projects to create multi-faced international transport and logistics infrastructure. These projects enable the trade and economic cooperation between Asian and European countries to be brought to a qualitatively new level by significantly reducing the distances and travel times of large cargo flows, including transit cargo. A key aspect of attracting foreign investment in Turkmenistan's economy is the solid legal framework on currency regulation, on foreign investments, and on investment activities, which aim to create a favorable investment climate in the country to attract long-term foreign investments and a state guarantee for reliable legal protection of investments. Among the main factors of Turkmenistan's growing attractiveness for foreign investors are the country's stable economic and political situation, legislative framework, and state guarantees. We are open to mutually beneficial partnerships with international investors. The Turkmenistan Investment Forum is a significant event scheduled to take place in Aşgabatda. TIF 2024 agenda will cover a wide range of topics such as Turkmenistan's investment potential, the role of the country's fuel and energy sector in the regional energy transition, transport connectivity and sustainability, economic diversification, digital transformation, development of smart agriculture and green economy, and public-private partnerships. TIF 2024 is poised to be a pivotal international platform for attracting investment into the country's economy, promoting export potential, and fostering cooperation between national companies and international investors. We look forward to hosting you in Aşgabatda at the upcoming TIF 2024. Invest in stable, prosperous, dynamic economy.